Hey everyone, welcome back to BuddyDevelopers. I'm Ritika and today we are diving into the top 3 WordPress plugins for recipe websites. If you are running a food blog or recipe site, these plugins will help you optimize your content, engage your readers, and beautifully present your recipes. Let's get started. Number 1, WP Delicious. WP Delicious is a feature-packed plugin that makes displaying your recipes a breeze. It comes with easy to customize recipe cards that let you showcase ingredients, instructions, and nutritional information in a visually stunning way. Plus, it's SEO friendly and integrates smoothly with platforms like Pinterest, making your recipes easy to share. Number 2, recipe card blocks. Perfect for Gutenberg users. Recipe card blocks allow you to add stunning recipe cards using customizable templates, highlight cooking time, serving size, ingredients, and instructions, all in a sleek layout. Your recipes will not only look professional but also be super easy for your readers to follow. Number 3, WP Recipe Maker. WP Recipe Maker is a powerful tool for clean and organized recipe displays. It includes step-by-step instructions, ingredient lists, and nutrition facts. It's also SEO optimized and Pinterest ready, helping you grow your audience and share your creations with ease. These 3 plugins are perfect for enhancing your recipe website, improving SEO, and keeping your audience engaged. We also provide WordPress development services, so if you need a customized theme or additional features for your website, we can help. To hire us, go to BuddyDevelopers.com and click on the Hire Us button. We will also add the link in the description below. You can also follow us on our other platforms. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Buddy Developers for more WordPress tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.